morning, TL travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here and don't already know it, currently we are in Bali, and actually we are exploring West Bali National Park, which is a region of Bali that we actually have never explored before, so we're super excited to be doing that for you. We're staying right now at the NusaBay Menjangan resort in West Bali National Park, and actually it turns out that it is the only resort that is directly inside of West Bali National Park. So really it feels like our own private little island paradise. Derek and I have just returned from the sunrise tea service and breakfast, and now we are just getting ourselves all ready to go for a swim. But I wanted to make sure that I took you guys along for everything that we did today, because today is the day you've been waiting for. It is the resort tour. So I'm going to show you guys around our room now, and then I'm going to show you guys around the rest of the resort. First stop, the room, of course. So Derek and I are staying in one of the jungle lanai cottage rooms, which offers a beautiful view of the forest and the national park surroundings. Definitely you feel like you are right smack dab in the middle of nature. We've got monkeys coming by to say hello. We've got deer grazing. It doesn't necessarily feel like what you think of when you think of Bali, but that is what we are loving about it. It's so relaxed and laid back and just like a totally different national park vibe, I guess. Feels like an adventure. All of our little cottages are perched up kind of treehouse style, which if you know anything about me, I love myself a good glamping style treehouse. So this is right up my alley, and it does come with all of the amenities that you need as far as like air conditioning, hot and cold shower. There is a pool and all of that fun stuff, so you don't really need to worry about like if you're not actually super rugged traveler like myself. You still have everything that you need. So I'm going to go grab Derek. We're gonna head down to the pool and show you guys around a little bit there, and then hop down to the beachfront and do a little snorkeling, I think, for you guys. So yeah, I've got lots in store. So the pool is a really great spot to relax, but they also have this sort of like lounge area with a bunch of different books in a bunch of different languages up behind the pool in a nice shaded area where you can just come and chill and relax. So when you've had a little too much heat, which usually by the end of the day we have, this is where we like to come and just like chill out. We are at the beachfront. If you can't tell, you can hear the waves rolling in the background. It is a hot day. David, how you feeling? Look how white.
Hot. Overexposed.
We're gonna get Derek a nice burn probably today. But right now we are on the dock where you come in when you first arrive at NusaBay Menjangan, and their beachfront basically has the restaurant, and then there's a dive shop, and then right here where we're standing now, which has like a really great snorkeling spot. The water is so clear, so you don't actually have to go over to Menjangan Island to take advantage of just like the amazing clear water and marine life. So the plan now is going to be to get in the water and do a little bit of snorkeling, and we are going to take you with us, so stick around because it's going to be awesome. And of course sunscreen is a necessity. Let's go. Okay, so we are back at our Lanaya cottage now. The snorkeling was absolutely fantastic. I'm really sorry about my like fuzzy water hair. There's nothing that can be done about it, but it was totally worth it. The clarity here is so good. Menjangan and West Bali National Park is known for its dive sites. It has some world-class dive sites, so if you are into diving, like 100% come over and check it out. It's so beautiful and so untouched and so worth it. From snorkeling, we headed to the restaurant to grab a bite to eat because, yeah, we worked up some hunger. And if you are coming to NusaBay Menjangan, one thing to note is that being that it is in such a secluded space and it is the only resort that's in West Bali National Park, you are limited as far as restaurants go. And by limited, I mean there's just the one here, but they do have a varied menu and they are open all day until 11 p.m. so you can get lunch, dinner, snacks, drinks, whatever you want any time of the day. So if you're a picky eater, maybe check out the menu online, but from what I can tell, there's definitely something for everyone, and I wouldn't let the menu deter you from coming and experiencing this amazing spot. But with that said, the plan now is to shower up and call it a day. So I'm gonna let you guys go here, but the adventures are not stopping here. We're just getting started, so if you like travel content, be sure to hit that subscribe button because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. We are still gonna be doing some more adventuring around West Bali National Park and then the rest of Bali and onwards, so you're not going to want to miss it. Hit that like button if you love Bali and beyond, and until next time, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.